Welcome back, everyone. Today we are making a dragon fruit martini. We're going to start off with 1 ounce of simple syrup. I know that seems like a lot. Don't panic.
It works.
It works. 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice. 1 ounce of Elderflower Liqueur. 0.75 ounces of dragon fruit puree. And then 2 ounces of your favorite brand of vodka. Vodka, in case you're curious. Vodka. All right, we're going to add ice to the shaker tin and shake for about 15 to 20 seconds or until it's ice cold in your hands. Beautiful. We're going to get our martini glass all ready to go, and we are going to double strain. I have confusion.
Why?
Seems shorter than my last one.
Yeah. Didn't shake hard enough.
Maybe it's a different size. I don't know. Anyway, for our garnish, we have a ginormous slice of dragon fruit. Fun fact, if you've never tried dragon fruit, it doesn't taste like anything. So, in case you're like, I need to go buy dragon fruit, I don't necessarily recommend the actual fruit itself. It doesn't taste like anything. So there we have our dragon fruit martini with a very large chunk of dragon fruit. It's just like floating there. All right, dogs, be quiet. All right, we are going to remove the hazardous object for reasons known to only me. All right, as per usual, I am going to taste the cocktail. I'm going to give you my honest opinion. I'm going to rate it. 1 is I will have 1 cocktail and move on to the next one. 5, I would drink this all night and hate myself in the morning. So let's do it. Hey, go, Benjamin. Knock it off. Yes, my dog has a middle name. Deal with it. Okay, so right off the bat, I smell pretty much nothing but the elderflower. Hey. So it tastes more like elderflower than anything. Just because, again, dragon fruit, just if you actually go and buy a dragon fruit, it's just a texture. Like there's no like flavor to it. It's really strange. It may depend on the dragon fruit, but I have had 2 different kinds of dragon fruits, one in my house and one at a restaurant. I didn't taste nothing at either.
Quick, pour the syrup in your mouth. Do it. See what it tastes like.
I don't know.
Well, don't make that face smile. It's delicious.
I really don't know what that tastes like. That tastes like a whole lot of just sweetness. Like there's not a flavor. I'm confused. Again, I'm allergic to it. So the cocktail itself, though, it actually kind of has like a grapefruity flavor, but I think a lot of that's coming from the elderflower. Holy smokes. So overall, a very good cocktail, but it definitely tastes more like grapefruit and elderflower than anything. But I really, really enjoyed the cocktail. I don't really know where the dragon fruit comes in outside of the giant garnish. Holy smokes, I'm apparently allergic to dragon fruit. But just for science, I'm going to taste it one more time. Yeah, it's a lot of elderflower. is what's really coming through in this. But again, it's on the sweeter side. It's not insanely sweet, but it's on the sweeter side. I'm going to give this one, I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5. Just because, again, it's the dragon fruit cocktail. It doesn't really taste like dragon fruit. It more so tastes like grapefruit and elderflower, in my opinion. So 4 out of 5, just because it kind of missed the mark. But overall, it does have a really, really good flavor. It's just not what it's supposed to be. So ingredients are going to be listed down below. So make sure you try the cocktail at home. And I have now shown you how to make said cocktail. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all at the next pour. Cheers.